I'm Will, he's John, that's NIO House Changsha, and this is ChinaDriven. I'm here today at Changsha's brand new NIO House. It opened just yesterday. Now, obviously Changsha is a city that I call home in China, and there's a few things that you should know. Changsha is famous for a few things. Me, Mao Zedong went to college here, Orange Island, spicy food, and La Meza. Today, I'm gonna show you Changsha NIO House. Let's go. The door's a lot further away than it looked when I started walking, so this might be a long shot. I'm nearly there. Running would look uncouth. I'm in. NIO says every NIO house is uniquely designed to reflect the city it's based in. Here, in the Changsha NIO House, we see a modern design with some elements of Chinese culture, from modern furnishings to Chinese writing. It definitely has a very distinct feeling about the place. The first floor of Changsha NIO House serves as a gallery to showcase all of NIO's cars. There's an ES6, an ES8 with the 7-seat configuration, and over there, that blue car is the EC6. Round the corner, there's another ES8, which has the 6-seat configuration. Now, this area is also the showroom, and you can come here to buy a NIO. Behind me is a wall of the customization options, such as the wheels and different colors you can choose. Now, interestingly enough, NIO has its own color of the year. It's called Arctic Green. And it's a pretty cool color. This is the second floor of Changsha NIO House, and this is called the NIO Club. If you're a NIO member, then you can use your phone and QR code to scan here to unlock the door. Will someone let me in, please? I don't have a NIO. This second floor is the NIO members club floor, and there's quite a few different things. Up here at the front is a kind of welcome desk where NIO members are guided to sit down and maybe enjoy a drink. This second floor clubhouse is used for lots of different things, and NIO regularly puts on events for NIO owners and their families. Just yesterday was the Mid-Autumn Festival, and NIO held an event here for NIO owners and their families to come and do DIY mooncake, making their own mooncakes. And you can bring your children along to enjoy these activities. But if you're just nearby and you want to pop in for a coffee or a drink, then there's also a coffee bar here. Not only that, Changsha NIO House is the first NIO house in China to offer tea on the menu. Not only that, but every city in China offers its own specialty drink. Here in Changsha, it's called the Furong. I forgot. Furong. Oh, Guoli. Okay, it's a peach-based drink called the Furong Guoli, and it's delicious. If you're a NIO owner and happen to be in the area or maybe using the charging facilities downstairs, then you can come up to this club room and sit back and chill out in this kind of lounge area. You can maybe do some work or grab a book and catch up on some reading. I love a good read. Some NIO houses have an extensive collection of NIO Life products. That's NIO's lifestyle brand. Here in Changsha NIO House, there is not so much, but there are a few choice pieces. There's things like this mini mahjong carrying case. If you want to play mahjong, maybe in the car or while you're traveling. If that's too small for you, then you can go for the big boy, a completely complete with its own huge carry case. That's heavy. They also have this collection of bags, which is a collaboration between NIO and the designer Tom Dixon. So if that's your kind of thing, you can go ahead and pick one up. If you're a NIO owner who's got kids, then don't worry. You can still come here and enjoy a coffee or a tea and relax out there whilst your kids play in here in the creche. And NIO will even have somebody to keep an eye on them. Now, I mean, who doesn't like a good slide? Now, this isn't even the whole area. There's another whole area over there, which I'll show you in a moment. But obviously, you gotta do it. It's a ball pool. I mean, be rude not to, right? Now, this is the other part of the creche, and if your mummy or daddy is a NIO owner, then you can come here, chill out, maybe read a book. I like a good read. Welcome to the third floor of Changsha NIO House. Now, this floor is called the Forum, and again, it is for NIO members and owners only. If you want, you can actually rent out this floor and hold your own events, as long as you are a NIO owner. There's several different things up here, and I'll walk you through them. Come on, let's go. If you are a NIO customer, you can actually rent out the Forum using your NIO points that you can collect on the NIO app. In fact, you can use those NIO points to also purchase drinks in the NIO Club downstairs, which is pretty handy. There's a few different rooms up here on the top floor. This one is just a small little meeting room, including a nice little TV to show your presentation or watch ChinaDriven. Up here on the third floor as well, there is this Chinese tea room. So if you are a fan of Chinese tea, Changsha NIO House has you covered. They even have a small little lounge up here. So if you were to rent the whole floor but wanted somewhere quiet to have a conversation with somebody or just get away from the hub and bub, then you could do in here. Sit down, relax, and talk. Now, on the third floor here, this is the main room of the Forum. And as you can see, it's a quite big space. In fact, these white walls are movable. Right now, they're set up to show some different artwork, which is kind of cool. So you can really imagine, if you were to rent this space, that you could do some nice events here. And that's just one of many privileges that you get as a NIO owner. But that's not all. There's also an outside area. Sun's out, guns out. This is the outside area of the third floor, which you can rent out. And in fact, this area can be used for lots of different things. You can ask NIO to get you a barbecue, do a bit of KTV, have an after party up here, cocktails and whatnot. Basically, this is your outside space. Up here is covered as well, so if it's raining, you can still party till late. And there's a lovely cross draft. Now, this, again, is another perk of being a NIO owner. And NIO, building themselves as a premium EV brand in China, has gone to extreme lengths to make sure that their customers are not only looked after, but have perks that other car companies don't offer. It's more than just buying a car when you become a NIO owner. Obviously, because the NIO house is on top of us, in this garage here, there is, of course, some NIO Power branded superchargers. Now, they did tell me that soon they will build a Gen 2 battery swap somewhere very close to this NIO House. So we look forward to that.
These NIO houses are definitely an interesting concept, offering NIO owners an experience that is different from almost every other car manufacturer out there. The ability to collect NIO points on the NIO app and use them to purchase beverages as well as rent space to host private events and parties is a special perk only for owners of NIO vehicles. And that's kind of the point. NIO has positioned itself as a premium EV brand in China, and access to NIO houses is just one of the ways that NIO helps its owners feel valued and looked after. There's also NIO Life's collaboration with designers bringing premium offerings in its lifestyle brand range, as well as NIO Power, which will send vans to recharge stranded EV vehicles. In fact, if you have a NIO car, you can use the app to arrange for NIO Power to pick up the car, take it to be charged, and drop it back to you. It's just an amazing service. These extras that come with being a NIO owner definitely help cement NIO's premium positioning in the market. NIO has now opened its first NIO house outside of China in Oslo, Norway, and this marks the beginning of NIO's expansion abroad. It looks like NIO is set on bringing these premium extras to NIO customers worldwide, and that's pretty amazing. Now, others may copy what NIO has started, but NIO was definitely first, and so far, it's ahead of the game.